Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple tri-string bubble wand. This can be used to create really large bubbles. For the handles, what I have here is a pair of long chopsticks. These can be found in most Chinese kitchen supply stores. Next, we need some eyelet screws, which can be found in most hardware stores. Next, we need some cotton twine. This can be easily found in most stationery stores. I am using a pilot hole maker to make two small pilot holes at the end of the chopsticks. This is to make it easier to screw in the eyelet screws. Repeat this with the other chopstick. Next, measure out and cut the length of cotton twine that you need. You will need the washer later to add as weight. I measure out the cotton twine into thirds. Insert the string into the eyelet and tie it off at one of the corners of the triangle. Tie the other two ends of the cotton twine to the other eyelet. Find the center of the longer loop of string and tie the washer to it. Your simple tri-string bubble wand is now ready for use. Leave a like below if you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.